Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to get Netflix in your Huawei devices. So first of all we're gonna check the Huawei App Store. Do we have the Netflix to install to on our Huawei devices? So when I just search for Netflix, you can see I couldn't get the results. So what you can do, you will go on Play Store to get it. So just click to get the Play Store and you will just get this page, get the Gbox to your Huawei device. So click to install and wait a few seconds. Once it has been installed to your Huawei device, just open the Gbox. So click on agree, and here you can see we got the Netflix is just here. So tap to open it. It's just going to ask you to allow and sign in to your Gmail account to download it from Play Store. So we're gonna click on sign in and we're gonna go to click to install the Netflix to our Huawei device. And here you can see it's now loading up to install the Netflix. So once it has been installed, just click to open and let's check it out. It's now working. I can just sign into my Netflix account here in this application, and that's great. So this is all about how to get Netflix in your Huawei devices. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next quick install videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.